Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Passion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. So I'm going to show you a Kada tea, and this is for immune boosting and very healthy tea. Now this one does not have any tea bag or sugar, but you may choose to use tea bags and like brown sugar, dark brown sugar, something like that, something healthy instead of white sugar. So what are we going to add to this one? I have everything together here just so you now. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, and this is a big cardamom, and then I have some clove, and I have some cardamom seeds, and I have star anise, and I have some clean washed this red onion skin. That was also requested. Someone requested red onion skin tea, how to make it, and little bit of turmeric, not a pinch, and to this one I'm gonna add another couple of others. So these are the things added. Now remember, you can add tea like I sometimes add a green tea bag. Now this is all grounded spice, so this is like clove, cinnamon, and cardamom, black pepper, all grounded. So pour it in there, and I will give a little bit more of black pepper. Because now you can drink this. You can add black tea bag, green tea bag, and just take out the tea bag and take out the ingredient from inside and drop it in this, and you can drink it with pure honey. Okay, so let's take this and boil it and then bring it and strain it. So right now when I'm showing you, I'm not going to add any tea bag, just do it like this and then show you. And so remember your options, you can add brown sugar, you can add tea bag, you can add honey, any way you like. So this is called Kada tea, and it's got all kinds of spices plus the turmeric little bit and all spices. So this is for health tea and immune boosting tea. So this is the tea you're going to drink every day. The other tea is an occasional tea if I want to just drink with friends. So that will be your friend came to serve. I wouldn't drink that milk and sugar tea daily. So I'm going to boil this one, and it's been boiling for a while now, and I'm going to cover it up and let it just, so this is more, did you take 2 cups of water and boil it down to 1 cup. So you boil it 10-15 minutes. The longer you boil, you get the benefit, and then you let it steep for 5 minutes and then you drink it, and this is your morning drink to really wake you up. So I'm just going to turn it off and let it steep for. So as you can see, my Kada tea is so hot, and I'm just going to pour it. So this is the Kada tea, and you save it and you pour water to this and boil it and drink all day, 5-6 cups. Look at the color, and there is no tea bag in, but the color is awesome. So this is, I poured. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.